Our state is full of stories. Stories of the steel we build with and the fresh water that surrounds us. Stories of innovators and dreamers. Stories of cities reborn. Stories of generations of men and women who lift us up. Michigan is full of stories about work, hard work. We are all here tonight because Michigan manufactures. But what we make is more than just parts, or tools, or machines. We make leaders. We make communities. We make it possible for others to be successful, and for our state and our country to thrive. What we make most are stories. These are what make manufacturing such a vital part of who we are. It is a multi-generational family-owned business, a startup created to solve a problem and fill a void. An international corporation supplying and connecting business all over the globe. It is the next generation of manufacturing leaders who show up every day to create, to lead, and build upon those who came before them. Tonight, we celebrate the success we have had, the lessons we've learned, and the people that made it all happen. We honor those who make manufacturing the economic leader it is today, and the global leader it will continue to be tomorrow. We are all here tonight because Michigan manufactures excellence. The foundation of our state was built by you. Today, we are better than ever. Tomorrow is brighter than ever. Welcome to the 2019 MFG Excellence Awards.